Uh, hey guys, this is Ryan and this is my project for the channel. So I got a Toyota AE86, had it for a little bit now, and hopefully we can kick on and get some content for you guys.
So here's a quick overview of the 86. Little bit of surface rust here and there. It's kind of bad on the roof.
So basically we've stripped the inside, getting ready for be a drift car, and then we'll hopefully get rid of some of that exterior rust and then some further plans later on.
A lot of spare parts in here. So before we started this channel, we worked on both cars, the Sora and the 86, quite a bit. So both cars had full interior, and now they have no interior.
And if you're keen on any AE86 Sprinter parts, just hit us up with a message.
So we go check out the engine.
So at the moment we just got the standard engine in here. We're looking at swapping it out for a 4AGE20 valve, something out of a Wreckers or something, hopefully get a good one and swap that eventually.
So we're just gonna get straight into it and start stripping the surface rust, ready to fill it and prime it so that sitting in the weather it doesn't get any worse.
Alright guys, don't hate us for what we're about to do, we've never done this before, let's get started.
So this is turning out way better than what we thought it would. We'll come back when the whole roof is done.
Welcome back.
We're just masking up the door. There's a few rust spots on the top here that we removed. We're just going to spray with the primer. Alright, while we're waiting for the first coat to dry, we're going to head back to the roof.
Now we're just prepping the rear hatch so we can spray this one, get the primer on so it doesn't rust overnight. Hey guys, so we're back day 2. We ran out of light yesterday, but we're just getting back into it. Anything where we can see hard spots, get rid of most of that rust that's still sticking around.
While Ryan's doing the roof, I'm going to hop into the body filler on the rear hatch. I've never done anything like this, but that's alright. The instructions say 1 part hardener to 50 parts body filler. So I've just got my measuring device here. That right? This is going to be shit. So one of the aesthetic mods we did on the Sora was painting that white steering rack support bar. We're going to do the same in the 86. I think Ryan wants to do it blue. So while he's fixing surface rust and everything else, we're going to start taking that out. Got a couple of easy bolts here. One there, one on the other side. Other end, and then that one up there. So we got the steering rack support out, just getting that stripped. Okay, so day 3 of working on the 86. Both the cars are kept at my place, the 86 and the Sora. We all work full time except I work during the night, so our times don't really line up too well. Most of the filming will be done on the weekend, and it's now Monday, so everyone's back at work. We just finished off where we left. Things took a little bit longer than we expected, but it's all good. We got the surface rust taken care of. We've primed it. The last thing we did on camera was we were removing the rust from the steering column support bar. Ryan laid down a few coats of that just with a spray paint can. We didn't record that part, but I've got a little time lapse of me spray painting what he didn't. So he laid down 1 coat of blue, I did an extra 2, and then I just chucked on 2 coats of clear. Here it is, this electric blue. Came out super sick, the clear coat's smooth, no paint run. We'll get it installed. Oh, damn. That looks sick. So I just set it in place. It looks so good in here. Alright guys, so the bar's completely installed, freshly painted, looks super sick. We'll hook the steering wheel up with a lethal style one when we get the samples in, and the interior should be coming together real good. Alright guys, that concludes the first video of working on the project cars. There's plenty to come, so just stay tuned, subscribe, like the video, appreciate it.